The ultimate guide to baby shower planning and etiquette is a topic that many people search for on the web, especially when they are expecting a new baby or hosting a shower for someone else. There are many websites that offer tips and advice on how to plan a baby shower, such as Pampers UK, thebump.com, Parents, and Babylist. These websites cover various aspects of baby shower planning, such as 1. Who should host the baby shower and when to have it? 2. How to choose a venue, theme, and decorations. 3. How to create a guest list and send invitations. 4. How to plan the menu and refreshments. 5. How to organize games and activities. 6. How to handle gifts and thank you notes. Some of the common tips that these websites share are: 1. Consult with the mom to be about her preferences and needs. 2. Coordinate with other hosts or co-hosts to share the responsibilities and costs. 3. Be creative and personal with the theme and decor, but don't go overboard. 4. Keep the guest list manageable and invite only those who are close to the mom-to-be. 5. Send the invitations at least 6 weeks before the shower and include all the relevant details. 6. Choose food and drinks that are easy to serve and eat, and cater to any dietary restrictions. 7. Plan some fun and interactive games that suit the mom-to-be's personality and style. 8. Have a designated person to record the gifts and help the mom-to-be with opening them. 9. Send thank you notes within 2 weeks after the shower. I hope this helps you learn more about the ultimate guide to baby shower planning and etiquette. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. See you in the next video.